You're working hard, meeting deadlines, and yet, that promotion keeps slipping away. Ever wonder why? Today, we're breaking down the hidden reasons behind missed promotions and how you can fix it. Welcome to our channel, where we help you supercharge your career with no-nonsense advice. Let's dive into the 5 biggest mistakes that might be holding you back from getting that promotion. Mistake number 1, not communicating your wins. Your hard work won't speak for itself. Many professionals assume their contributions are noticed, but if you're not actively communicating your achievements, you're essentially invisible. Start sharing your successes regularly with your manager and team. You don't have to brag, but keep them informed about the impact you're making. A simple email update or mention during a meeting goes a long way. Mistake number 2, lack of initiative. Doing your job is great, but if you're just doing what's expected, you won't stand out. If you're not going above and beyond, you're seen as just fulfilling your role. Taking initiative shows that you're ready for more responsibility and have leadership potential. Look for opportunities to lead small projects, suggest improvements, or take on extra responsibilities. It doesn't have to be big, but showing that you're willing to go the extra mile will make you stand out. Mistake number 3, poor relationship building. If you're only focused on your work, you're missing a key element for career advancement. Building relationships, especially with decision makers, plays a huge role in getting promoted. Get to know your colleagues, your boss, and even other department heads. Networking internally is just as important as networking externally. You don't need to be best friends, but forming connections can open up new opportunities for growth. Mistake number 4, not asking for feedback. You can't improve if you don't know what you need to work on. If you're not seeking feedback regularly, you're missing the opportunity to grow. Make it a habit to ask for feedback after key projects or on a regular basis. This shows that you're committed to improvement and willing to take constructive criticism. The more you know about your strengths and weaknesses, the easier it will be to adjust and make progress. Mistake number 5, not upskilling. The skills that got you here won't take you to the next level. If you're not constantly learning, evolving, and building new skills, you'll be left behind. Upskilling is about adding value to your role and staying relevant in a changing environment. Identify what skills you need for that next promotion and take the time to learn them. Whether it's taking an online course, attending a workshop, or simply practicing new techniques on the job, make sure you're always growing. Now, let's talk about how you can fix these mistakes. First, make it a habit to communicate your achievements. Send a quick email to your manager when you complete a major project. Second, start taking initiative at work. Even small acts of proactivity show that you're ready for more responsibility. Third, prioritize relationship building at the office. Set up a coffee chat with a colleague or engage in informal conversations with your manager. Fourth, schedule regular feedback meetings with your boss. This shows that you're committed to improving and are serious about your development. And finally, carve out time every week to learn something new that can add value to your career. Whether it's a technical skill or soft skills, continuous learning is key to your advancement. So, to recap, communicate your wins, take initiative, build relationships, ask for feedback, and never stop learning. Which of these mistakes are you going to work on first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more career-boosting content. And don't forget to learn the language of your job if you're ready to take your career to the next level.